Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create lighting on building like this. It's very easy and let's get started. First, create a new composition, then hit OK. Go to File and import your image. Then, drag and drop. Press S to scale, decreases your image like this. Now all I want to need to do draw multiple masks around each area. We want to keep it in a new solid using Pen tool. So go to Layer, New Solid, then hit OK. And hide visibility. Now go to Tools. Pen tool, and let's go. Now I finished my masks. Go to Effects and Presets and type Stroke. Drag and drop on your solid. Check all masks. Set on Original Image to on Transparent. Now go to Effects and Presets, and type Fog Lights. Drag and drop on your solid. Now we have many effects here. We have a fractal noise, Triton, and levels and fog lights. And also these effects animate our grid. Now go to Blending and set Normal to Multiply. Press U on solid, select keyframes like this, then move them few forward. I need just 15 seconds. Now choose any color you want. Now check the original image. Then go to Effects, Color Collection, Levels. Now decreases output white and increase input black. And now we have a gorgeous lighting effect. Now go to Effects and Presets, and drag and drop fog lights on original image. Now go to Blending and set Normal to Multiply. Uncheck Levels on top, cause we have a levels on our fog lights effects. Now choose any color you want. Press U on image. And move keyframes like this. Also, you can go to Evolution to change fog light speed. Last thing, we need to animate the stroke. And this is our tutorial today. If you like it, don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.